So we got some squishies.
From our local card store.
They have like a lot of fakes, but who cares? Which one are we
So
gonna
this
take?
one's supposed to have 3 dumplings
I
in
didn't
it.
get that one, so I'm just gonna let her open it.
So this was supposed to have 3 dumplings
Like
in it, and they're
foam?
like foam. So let's see what Oh.
There's...
Quickly. Look at this freaking thing. They're kind of
They're
good.
good, but
This one's crying.
wait, this makes like
This one's
ASMR. It
crying.
has like air. It
This
makes
one's
like,
crying. Let me see.
like it makes an air, like squish it. Like if you got, look at this one's eyes. They're so big.
All right, so this is the 3. Oh, this is 3 mini dumplings we got. All right.
Yeah,
Now you can open the one that I didn't get, but I do have this one already.
Which one did? Oh,
The potato.
potato. She has this already, but I got it for myself because I wanted it because it's good. It has a face for some reason. I don't know why. It's supposed to be like the Sheen ones, like the potato.
Next we can do our smushers.
Yeah.
I think we should do the chocolates last.
Okay. Okay. I squished it before, but squish test for you. Ooh, that's good.
It has a little bit of air, but
Did you take air out of yours?
No.
All right, that's good. Oh, now we're gonna do the unicorn dumpling.
yeah.
We felt the open one. It's actually really soft.
Yeah. So we'll be
Wait.
back like once we take off the plastic. We're
Alright,
back. took
so
off
we
the
got
plastic.
all the
I'm trying to
plastic. Oh,
take
she
off.
just has to do that.
All right. Ready?
Alright, thanks, Ooh, this does not feel how it felt in the store.
Well, the one in the store is probably squished by 8,000 kids.
I
So
don't-
I got a blue, yellow, and green one.
I got a pink, orange, and
Looks like the
Uh,
Irish flag.
yeah, just with pink. It's soft.
Yeah. It's cute, I guess.
It's
Yeah.
a unicorn.
So we'll be back once we open the plastic off our next thing.
I got these fake smushers.
All right. So
Um,
we're gonna open the plastic and then we're gonna put the faces on them.
Yeah.
Like humongous. And
These
this
are
is the
so
faces.
big.
Oh my god.
I don't want the face on mine.
Not either.
Okay, let's do a squish test.
Okay. Ready? 3.
Hold on.
Oh, ow. 3, 2. Oh my god. It's kind of crunchy.
Wait, it's like
If I just get the air out of this, it would be so good. Bro, stop sticking.
it's good.
It's actually so good. All right, we're gonna open our next thing, which is
It's a
really
wax
good.
cracking. So the face that my mashed potato came with honestly looks better on my smusher.
But it's like hard. This thing.
Yeah.
It's like a piece of plastic.
Yeah. Now we got wax cracking. Oh, like fake chocolate. Don't crack it. So
Okay, you
they're
can go
hollow
first.
and they're plastic.
Yeah, they're
But-
hollow. And they're
Just don't mind.
yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, is that actually hollow? Wait, the wax is getting all over
Wait.
my bed. Wait, wax
It's
crack it.
clay.
Wait, Valentino, will wax crack it into these little dumpling cases.
It hurts.
Wax crack it into the dumpling cases. All right.
That
so
hurts
we'll be
so
back.
bad. It's
This
a
is my
mess
turn.
and it hurts. Okay.
All right, 3, 2. Mine's actually so soft. It doesn't really hurt.
Mine hurt a lot.
It's so hard though. Like these are not like these feel so hard.
We thought it was plastic.
Yeah, cause it's like clay, but like
It's
the
actually not
wax,
bad.
like,
It's not.
dried.
It could be worse. You know. For a scam, it's fine.
So like these are not real.
Obviously,
Like,
because
obviously nothing at a card store is real.
I mean, unless you got some rich card store.
Yeah, my card store is definitely not rich.
Wait.
It's because some parts that like over here that like at the bottom of the chocolate they're dry. Like it's like dried.
Yes, because they were. It probably was in the heat, the cold, and froze up in the store at overnight.
They had these for a long time and nobody ever buys them.
I know. Someone probably bought them, left a bad review, and that's it. But we bought them because we have a whole ASMR account for y'all.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and that was really it.
It's literally like,
The worst clay ever, but
all right, now we have to clean up.
Yep.
Which I don't feel like
wish
doing.
us luck.
There's wax all over my bed.
And she got new covers.
Oh yeah, they just came yesterday to clean my house. I'm not even joking.
All right. Bye, guys.
It's everywhere.